Hello, welcome back to Berdu channel. In the previous video, we've demonstrated how to create pop-up windows that automatically appear when the website finishes loading. Now, we will learn how to create pop-up windows that appear only after the website visitor clicks a button on our website. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the Berdu channel, click the like button below, and turn on the notification bell as well. From your website's dashboard on Berdu, go to Layout. You can create this pop-up button on a custom page or on the main page. For this example, I will add the pop-up on the main page. This is the appearance of the website in which we will add the pop-up button. If you want to know how to create a web page like this, check out the link in the description box below. Now, we will first create the pop-up window. In the previous video, we made a full pop-up window tutorial. Feel free to check it out if you're interested, but now I will demonstrate it briefly. Add a new section. Look for the pop-up section. Change the text, design, and subsections according to your needs. Then, add a new section and look for the video section. Now, let's edit the video and change its URL to the video we have prepared. To make it more symmetrical, we adjust the container and adjust the padding. For example, I will adjust the top and bottom padding differently and only widen the bottom padding. Click Done. Now, this is the most important part. Change the Show When setting to Button Click because we want this pop-up to appear when the website visitor clicks a certain button. Then, you can name this pop-up to make it easier when selecting the target later. Once finished, click Done. Right. Now, it's time to create the button, with the target being this pop-up. Close the preview of this pop-up for now. Add a new section and look for the button section. Two default buttons will appear here. Click Done first and drag this button section to the position where you want to place the button. For example, I will drag this button section under the image slide. Now enter the button settings. Delete second default buttons, leaving just one button. Click the settings icon. Here I will change the button color to match the website theme, like this. Then we change the font type and edit the text. You can also add an icon to the button if you want. Click Upload and select the icon you have prepared. Finally, we set the target and change it to the pop-up we created earlier, which is the video pop-up. Once finished, click Done, go to the container part, and adjust the padding if necessary. Click Done, save, and view the page. This is how the final result looks. Let's scroll down to the button section. Let's try clicking the button. The video pop-up has appeared, and the video can be played. Alright, we hope this video is helpful, and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. Like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Berdu channel for more tutorial videos. Also, don't forget to follow Berdu's social media accounts for more interesting content. See you!